Hey Shuraira, my name is Matt Filler, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people a free attack plan of actual things they can do, impact their business for free, has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Matt. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard and can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message and we can chat. If at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you to do yourself, that works for me too. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition locally and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this is your site here. It's actually a Facebook page, and it looks like it's brand new. So I gather you're just getting started in internet marketing. It's a good start. The biggest issue I have with this is that there's no call to action. There's just pictures. They're great pictures, but it says discover your best sleep with our mattresses. It should say something about come in now or call in now. Also, it says online booking, but I don't see any sign of a website where you can do online booking. And in fact, as I get a little further on, if you go to look for a mattress in Karachi, the first thing that comes up is the online booking for your 2 products. So directly from the manufacturer. So you would be competing with the manufacturer and doing online booking. I'd want to get your store shopping going up. Delivery is a good thing to emphasize, though, obviously. So as far as Facebook, I was going to go look at your competition here in Google. One of them is Facebook, the one that comes up actually twice. I'll go for this second one because it's a little better. He has a video there, and it goes through a thing of him. It's in Hindi, so I can't understand it, but he's going through his store, showing the features of his. Anyway, he does that, so that's something you might think about doing, is putting in video. Obviously, if I were doing something for you, you'd probably have to record the videos anyway. But you can obviously upload those and put those into and as a reel on Facebook. Seems to be working for him because Google noticed him. So there you go. Okay, back to this Google. I want to show you something on Google, which is very important for local businesses like yours. And that's the first thing on Google. Could be ads. It isn't, at least not on I'm sorry if I'm not sure how to pronounce this, Orangi town in Karachi, or near Karachi, I guess is what it is. It's north of Karachi. And you see 3 featured stores here that are actually in Karachi, it says. If I click on one of these, you'll see it says own this business. I click on another one, it says own this business. Click on another one, it says own this business. These are reviews that people have put in online based on probably Google found their site and then people put reviews online for them. They haven't even claimed them for their own business and optimized them for their business. So you should go out and claim a Google Business Profile, which is what this is called, Google Business Profile, and get that up. Of course, that's something I could help you with as well, and you need to get pictures in it. More pictures, the better. This one has 24 photos. You want to shoot for at least 25. Showing your stock and your facility and people lying on your mattress and things like that. As well as the kind of pictures that you already have. You can certainly use the same pictures here that you used on your Facebook and put those pictures that you come up for this on your Facebook. And actually, you know, if you were talking about outsourcing, we would put those similar pictures on, or video and videos actually, on, for the US at least, it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and they all have different followings. They have different people who you reach with with promotion on those different venues. But anyhow, as I was saying, you need to get yourself claimed on Google Business Profile. That's number 2. Number 3 is we want to get you to, well, on your profile, you want to have a website. Again, these don't show websites for these stores. I don't know whether that's just not done in Pakistan or when I look further down here, I do see a mattress cleaning store, wholesale mattress market. Now that's, again, that's Facebook. Mattress shopping, Karachi, again, this one's YouTube. So there's a lot of stuff wide open. If you were to put up a website, it would probably be a big expense for what you're going to be. I'm not sure how many mattresses you sell, but per month or whatever. But as I said, getting more stuff in the changes I noted on your Facebook page and getting yourself a Google profile, those would be a good start. And once again, my name is Matt Filler, and my number is 562 264 5530. 562 264 5530. Give me a call. I guess it's 1 is the prefix for US, of course. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great one.